Hey guys, got a quick unboxing video for you guys. So we got this in the mail this morning, and I've been super excited about getting this, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but we will find out officially.
Excuse me, there is a message for you.
Apparently I have a message. So, anyway. This is coming from North Carolina. Ooh, I actually think I cut some of that off the boots. But this is exactly what I thought it was. Hopefully I didn't cut anything important off. I don't think I did. No, I didn't. Cool. So this is intruder stop. Okay. Specifically, it is this product. Okay. It is a pepper spray alternative. Okay, so I took a couple words off on accident, but yeah, it is what it is. So this is what it looks like, and it is all natural, but it doesn't use pepper spray or anything. So it is a liquid. This is a 2.5 ounce bottle. They have bigger bottles, they have backpacks, they have smaller bottles, but this one is the 2.5 ounce one. And I would like to thank Intruder Stop and SOC for sending me this and to try and test out and demo for you guys. So just like pepper spray, you have a lid, safety lid right there, and that is your actual trigger. This is supposed to last about 2.5 to 3 minutes before it starts wearing off, and it's specifically meant for indoor use and confined space use, so for like jails or other confined spaces where pepper spray might not be the best idea. So you'll get to see a video of me testing this on my friend Dalton over here. He knows it's coming, but you know, might still surprise him. But yeah, no, this is really cool. I'm excited to get to try this out and see how it does. So that's all I had for you, but there you go. See you in the next video.